How to create an anonymous link on WhatsApp. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily create an anonymous link on WhatsApp. So let's jump right in. First thing first, you need to go ahead and open up Google Play Store and then simply search for this app called NGO. And then once you've searched for it, go ahead and install the app. Once you have the app installed, open it up. Once you open it up, make sure to log into your account. If this is your first time, go ahead and confirm your age. And once that is done, tap on continue, tap on confirm. Select what you want to use NGL for. So I'll just do WhatsApp for now, tap on continue. And go ahead and add your username, tap on continue. If you want, you can add a photo. I'll just skip it at the top right. And then you should be able to create an anonymous link. So here you can customize your message. So send me an anonymous message. So I'll just do hi or something like this. And then you can just tap on copy link and tap on OK. You can either send this to your story or WhatsApp status, or you could directly send it on messages. So I'll open WhatsApp. I'll go over to this group here and I'll just paste the link and then send this. I can also go over to updates and add a status. So I'll just tap on this add button. Go ahead and add, tap on text. And then from here, you can just paste the link over here. Then tap on send. It will automatically be converted into a link and it will be posted on your WhatsApp status as well. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. Hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one.